Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel Purnima Love Infinity. So guys, in today's video I'm going to create this particular look and I'm going to do this full face of makeup using only TikTok viral makeup hacks. Isn't that amazing? Are you guys excited too? So I'm gonna try all of these hacks for the very first time with you guys. So let's get started. So guys, I've already moisturized my face and it's time for me to apply a primer, because applying primer is very important before you apply any kind of makeup. So I've used this NYB silicone based primer. So the very first hack that I'm going to try today is the block makeup hack. This is basically for doing our base makeup. Here what we're going to do is using a concealer or a foundation stick or a red lipstick. You can use any of these three products to create these squares like how I've created on my face. I've used a concealer to do that because that would be more realistic and I want this to work. So I've used a concealer instead of using a red lipstick, because otherwise if I use a red lipstick it's gonna make my whole face turn red or pink, which is not what we want here. And then I have filled those blocks with a pink lipstick in the areas where we want that blush like glow. And then we've also used a concealer shade here around the eyes, like under the eyes, on top of the lids, and around the nose, on the sides of the nose, on the tip of the nose, on the bridge of the nose, on the upper lip, like on the cupid's bow, on the chin area, and under the contour. And in the areas where we want the contour to be done, we've used a brown or a like dark contour shade. Okay, so if you look at this video you will be able to understand what exactly I'm trying to do here. And in the places or in the blocks that are not filled with any of these colors, you can fill a foundation color if you want to, but I have not used that color because I think it's good to keep it simple. And I felt that this is going to be enough because we can add more color or more shades if we want to, more layers if we want to, but if we apply too much in the very first time, then it becomes a mess and we don't want that. So it's time for us to go ahead and blend this. I tried to use a setting spray so that the blending becomes easier, but the spray just wouldn't work properly. So I just sprayed it directly on the beauty blender, and I used the beauty blender to blend all these colors or shades, and you will see now the magic. Okay, I honestly didn't expect this. I was thinking that this is not gonna work and this is going to be my worst ever day doing makeup, but to my utter surprise, you will see how easily it all blended. I was myself shocked or surprised, I should say. Okay, so this is a real good hack, but you just have to use the right shades for your face, and just don't use too many colors, don't use too much of product. And yeah, you see it already has blended so well and it looks perfect. Okay, I didn't even use a foundation and this was good enough. So here I've blended the entire all the products, and you can see that this looks perfect. So the base looks good till now. So here comes the second hack, which is the contouring hack. Here we're going to try two different contouring hacks. The first one is where we will be contouring the nose. So here what I'm doing is I've drawn these two parallel lines, and then here near the eyebrows we just have to create two triangles like this, and then near the nostrils we just have to contour the way I'm doing it. Please follow the video so that it will be more easy for you to understand. Okay, rather than me trying to explain it, because I just don't know how to explain these things, because I'm also doing it for the very first time. Okay, so this is how you have to draw different shapes. This is how it was shown there. And under the cheeks, like in the, not under the cheeks, but in the hollows of the cheeks, connecting it to the chin, we've drawn these two lines. And then we've also drawn two lines here on near the jawline. And yeah, and also on the forehead we've made an arc like this. In the video actually they connected it all, but I'm not going to connect it because this much product would be enough. I've used this product before. The contour I'm using right now, it is very kind of, it's not very thick in formula, and a little goes a long way, and also it is very dark in shade, so I don't want to use too much product. So I'm just going to use the concealer part, which comes in the same packaging. So I'm using the concealer part on the bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, on the sides of the nose, and on the forehead, under the eyes, on the lid, under the contour, under the hollows of the cheek where I've contoured below that. And yeah, just on all of these parts you can see where all I'm drawing lines or shapes using this concealer. And then we are going to blend it. So I'll blend the concealer first and then the contour, so as to make sure that the contour doesn't move from its place. Now I'm going to set this with a loose powder. Now here comes the third hack, which is the eyeshadow hack. For this particular hack we are going to use 3 shades of eyeshadow. First I'm using a purple color eyeshadow and I'm placing this in the outer V. Then I've applied a burgundy color eyeshadow, all from the same palette. Okay, so these are shimmery shadows. If you want, you can use matte shadows or shimmery ones. Then in the inner 1/3 I've used a golden color eyeshadow. So we just have to place these 3 shades first on the lid, and then using a clean blending brush we just have to blend all of these shades, and also blending the edges so as to make it look seamless. So that was basically the hack, but I have used a white shimmery shadow to highlight the inner corners as well. Now the next hack is the foxy eyes hack. What we are going to do is, with the help of an eyeliner, we are going to create a straight line from the corner of the eye towards the end of the eyebrow, and then we are going to connect it with a line from the middle of the eyelid, and then we will just create a wing like this, and then we will complete the eyeliner. Okay, so we are not filling in the gap that we've left in the outer corner. Okay, right now we don't have to fill it. And the next step is to use fake eyelashes. Okay, before I do that, I'm just blending the lower lid, and I'm applying the same 3 eyeshadows to blend in the lower lash line and to make it look same. Okay, because again, if we don't do the lower lash line or the lower lid, the eye look does not look complete. So here I am going ahead and applying the fake eyelashes. So here the way you have to apply the fake eyelashes is in the outer corner you just have to apply it on top of the liner that you have created. Okay, so you don't have to apply it close to the lash, but you will be applying it on the top line of the eyeliner, so that it will create like a foxy eye effect. It will give you a foxy eye effect. Okay, I hope I am able to make you all understand what exactly I'm doing here. So if you look at the video, more than what I'm saying, you will be able to understand it better. And yeah, this is how it looks. And now you can already see that one eye looks a little different from the other eye. So here you can see that I've already applied both of the eyelashes, and yeah, it completes the eye look and the hack as well. Now I've just applied a blush and a little bit of powder contour, because I did not do that before, and also used a powder highlighter to complete the base makeup. And here it was tea time, so I had my coffee. Actually, I did not have tea, I had coffee, and see how fast I drank it just to complete this look on time. And yeah, so here we come to the final hack, which is the lipstick hack. And what you have to do is you have to press your lips in between your teeth, like how I'm doing in this video, and then you have to try and line the lips, okay, both the upper lip and the lower lip. And then you just have to fill the entire lip with the same lipstick, or you can use a different lipstick if you want to. But yeah, I'm using the same lipstick here, and you will see that my lips look much more fuller, and it gives me that pouty effect. Yeah, so this is how my lips look, and I absolutely love this hack. This really does work. And now I'm just going to add a lip gloss on top of it, because this lipstick was looking a little more darker than what I wanted it to be. So I used a gloss, and that completed the look, and I absolutely love how the entire makeup has turned out. And let me know what you think about this look. How did you like it? And do you think I did justice by making all of these hacks work? And are you happy with the result? I am happy with how my entire makeup is looking, and I absolutely fell in love with this, because yeah, you can see I kept on posing for a very long time. You can actually make all of these hacks work, but if you ask me about the pros and cons, I would say that the very first hack that we used, the block makeup hack, I would not do that on a daily basis, because you can do it like in a regular way, how you do it every day, like on a regular basis. I would not do the block makeup hack if I have to do my own makeup. And yeah, after that, the contouring hack was good. You can give it a try to get that chiseled look. You can see that my face looks slimmer than what it actually is. And yeah, I like that hack as well. Then coming to the third hack, which is the eyeshadow hack. I love it because it makes the eyeshadow application so easy. You just have to place 3 shades and just blend it, and it's done. Yeah, so, and also the foxy eye effect hack, I liked that as well. My foxy eye effect is not that perfect, because I did not create the wing that perfectly, but still I love it. And yeah, I think it looks good. Also, the lipstick hack, guys, I am just in love with how my lips are looking. So guys, I hope that you all liked this entire video and the way I created this look using all of these hacks. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, do share this video with your friends and family members. Also, do subscribe to my channel Purnima Love Infinity, and hit on the bell icon and click on all notifications so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.